In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to view sent Instagram follow requests. Instagram doesn't show a simple in-app list of the requests you've sent, but you can still see them by exporting your information directly from the app. I'll walk you through the exact taps and explain what each choice does so you know you're pulling only what you need. Start by opening Instagram and heading to your profile. In the upper right, tap the three lines to open the menu. From here, go to Account Center. This is where Instagram keeps your data and permissions tools, and it works across any connected profiles. Next, tap on your information and permissions, and then choose Export Your Information. This tool lets you generate a copy of specific data, like your followers and following details, which is where your pending follow requests live. Tap Create Export. If you have multiple accounts, choose the Instagram profile you want to check. For the destination, pick Export Device so the file is prepared for your phone or tablet. Now tap Customized Information. By default, Instagram may select a lot of categories, which makes the export larger and slower. Tap Clear All, then scroll down and check only the followers and following option. This keeps things lean and ensures you get the list that includes your sent or pending follow requests. Tap Save to confirm that selection. You'll be asked to choose a date range. If you want the complete picture, pick the broadest range available. If you only need a recent snapshot, select a shorter window. Then choose HTML format. HTML is ideal because it opens in a regular browser and displays your data in a clean, readable page without needing special software. Finally, start export. Instagram will prepare the file in the background. This can take a few minutes depending on the size of your account and the time range you selected. When it's ready, you'll have access to a simple HTML view of your followers and following data, which includes a section for pending follow requests. This is the most reliable way to see the requests you've sent that haven't been accepted yet, and keeping the export limited to that category makes the process faster and the results easier to navigate. That's all you need to do to view your sent Instagram follow requests using the built-in export feature, and that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Instagram tips.